back, Airkewld Army. It's your friend Pete from Airkewld with another mouth-watering Volkswagen drivetrain video for your viewing pleasure. The pros just finished up this PRObuilt drivetrain for a client in California that includes our Bad Series brakes featuring Willwood calipers at the front. I wanted to take a sec to thank all of you that have subscribed over the past few months. The channel is showing tremendous growth. Thank you. Just wanted to remind all of you that are not subscribed currently, we'll be giving away an Ultimate Beam to one of our subscribers who is subscribed and comments below their favorite year and model of Volkswagen. We're giving it away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. Lastly, when you're able, check out the descriptions below each of our videos as they contain a ton of information that include links to products we're talking about, the tools we're using, even the Airkewld swag we're wearing. Each time you click on one of those links, maybe even purchase something, you're helping out the channel tremendously. With that said, enjoy your weekend. We have some killer videos coming out next week. Stay tuned.
Such a good girl that can love me all through the night, and that's what I like.